Hey, my name is Connor and welcome to Crypto Empire, where I show you how to dominate in the crypto markets. VeChain is looking very strong right now, and despite the large market correction that we saw yesterday, VeChain's dip was bought up instantly and it is heading to higher highs as we speak. In this video, we're going to be talking about some catalysts that is propelling the VeChain price to these new highs, as well as some price analysis so you know exactly what is to come next. So let the gains be with you. So taking a look at the market cap, we can see Bitcoin is currently at 56.9K, recovering nicely from that flash crash that we just saw. We saw one red candle that took us down $10,000 to about $49,950,000 from 60K. Absolutely crazy. A lot of people who were on leverage got liquidated, and this is just a lesson for you. The market will always slap you in the face if you're overconfident. So always practice proper risk management, proper position sizing, and trade smart. Do not trade from emotions. I know it's easy to feel euphoric in cryptocurrency, but I say it all the time, you need to remain level-headed and stoic, especially if you're a trader. When you trade on your emotions, you will get wrecked. All right, so keep this in mind. If you did lose money during the dip, use it as a lesson. But anyway, VeChain, guys, number 11 in market cap. It can't be stopped right now. It's up 93% in the last 7 days, 31% in the last 24 hours. We are currently sitting at a $17.8 billion market cap. VeChain just flipped Chainlink and flipped Uniswap as well. And doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon, but we're going to get into some catalysts of why this price is going so high in my opinion. First of all, of course, there is the real world use case of VeChain, which is without a doubt changing the entire global supply chain industry. The supply chain is something that needs to be optimized. It's very old and archaic. And the fact that VeChain is the leading brand for blockchain on the supply chain, that's a big indication of why this value is increasing so high. All right, we're going to take a look at the price chart now. First of all, Bitcoin dominance, guys. We did have a nice move up from the bottom of this demand zone. This is like a brick wall demand zone, but it's looking like price is about to melt right through it. I shouldn't say price, but Bitcoin dominance. It wants to go lower, guys. We had a nice bounce when the flash crash happened because people allocated their funds back into Bitcoin to preserve their capital. But now we can see it's back to being redistributed among altcoins. And this is continuing to drop, which of course is very bullish for us. Total 2, which is the altcoin dominance, is having a very nice V-shaped recovery at this moment in time. So we want to see this make a higher high past this $1.05 trillion. I do expect this to be at least $10 trillion by the end of the year, which would be a 10x in the altcoin market cap. But let's talk about VET, V-E-T. Where are you? Right here, VET. So it's currently trading 25 cents. So I've had this trend line actually since my last video. When I recorded my first VeChain video, the price was around 8 cents, right in this consolidation cluster down here. All right, we're now at 25 cents, guys. That's about a 3x from that video. Congratulations if you did decide to take action from that. Look, I'm not a genius. I'm not a financial advisor. It's a bull market. All right, everything is going up right now, but it definitely makes me happy to hear all of the community members making a lot of money right now just by watching my content. Anyway, VeChain, 25 cents right now, guys. So it did give us some more data to see where it possibly could go next. As you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, by the way, subscribe if you are not subscribed already. But you guys know that I love to use the Fibonacci to see where price will go next with a high probability. So if we take our swing high down to the swing low it created after the swing high, the first price target would put us at 34.7 cents, then 38 cents, almost 39 cents, and then 45 cents. Okay, if we see this continue to tear up, if we see Bitcoin dominance continue to drop, I do expect this first target to get hit within a week or two, guys. I think this is due for a very big pop. Once we break this resistance at the 27.9 cent level, which we made 2 days ago before the flash crash, once we break this resistance and we're in price discovery, things can move very, very quickly, as we see with other coins such as Dogecoin. If we're going to be looking for a pullback, if we're going to be looking to buy a dip, I just want to show you guys, again, the Fibonacci. If we take the swing high down to the swing low it came from, this golden pocket here at the 61.8 to the 0.65 level, this is where you want to be entering your trades, guys. Learn to use the fib, take the golden ratio entries, take the 78.6 and the 88.6 entries all day, and you'll be profitable. Just be patient. You have to sit on your hands and wait for price to get down to those levels. But anyway, this is going to be the area of support on the chart. And if we are blessed to see another opportunity to grab some VET at these levels, I'm not a financial advisor, but I think you might be well off in the next few months if you do happen to acquire some VeChain down at these 19-cent price levels. Another area that you want to consider possibly scooping some VeChain up would be down here at this level of support. I'm looking at this range of candles right here, as well as these candle bodies that close at the same exact space, and it just looks like clear support on the chart. So again, these are possible entry zones. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, but these look like very strong points on the chart to possibly enter into a trade for VeChain. So you might be asking yourself right now, Connor, why is VeChain absolutely ripping up? How is it able to remain so strong despite the large correction that we saw in the markets? Well, there is a lot of buzz about it on social media right now. So first of all, we got Optic Scump. He is an esports champ, COD World Champion. Shout out to Optic Scump for being nice with the sticks, aka the controller, playing that COD. Anyway, he tweeted yesterday, VeChain to the moon. He got 500 retweets, 6.6k likes. So we now have influencers tweeting about VeChain, bringing more eyes to VeChain. And right now, everybody's eyes are on crypto. Crypto is the main point of conversation in a lot of people's lives right now, and that is only going to continue to grow as this bull market progresses. Expect parabolic moves in a lot of your favorite cryptos, and expect large drawdowns as well, because there have been people that have been accumulating cryptocurrency for the past 4 years since the last bull market, and people own millions and millions and millions of VeChain, guys. So do expect pullbacks along the way. There will be profit taking, no doubt about that. So just be careful. Don't buy the tops, all right? Don't buy huge green candles. That's not how you're going to make it. You're going to make it by waiting for the pullback, buying the dips like we saw yesterday. Yesterday was such a golden opportunity to get yourself any altcoin, really. So taking a look at the VeChain Foundation Twitter account, we can just see all of the developments that are happening with VeChain. First of all, they are on the Business Magazine of Cyprus, the April 2021 issue, discussing blockchain in healthcare, okay, only on VeChain, on the VeChain blockchain. Also, they're in Forbes. They're now on crypto.com. They have more trading pairs on Binance. A lot of support from all around for VeChain. Number 11 in market cap. This is only going to continue to rise in value. So with all this being said, let's get into my price predictions for VeChain for the immediate short term as well as the mid to long term. So for the end of April, to be quite honest with you, I do expect these fib levels to get hit on the charts. If we take our swing high to swing low again, I'll put it back up on the chart. First one was about 35 cents, I believe. Yeah, 34.7 cents. I do expect this level to get hit within the next week or two. I think there is going to be a massive surge in altcoins. I'm expecting a very, very big rally across the board. So I do think that 35 to 40 cents is possible even for April. We have about 2 weeks left in April, even less. And then as we progress to May, as long as the market remains strong, I think 50-cent VeChain without a doubt will happen. I'm not a financial advisor, keep that in mind. And then also towards the end of the year, $1 to $2 is a conservative price prediction for myself for VeChain. So congratulations if you've been holding VeChain for a while. I was taking a look at one of my wallets the other day, and I saw a transaction on VeChain that happened last April. I'll put it up on the screen so you can see. But I had sent something like 8,000 VeChain. It was like the minimum amount I can send from an exchange. I was just doing a test to send my funds to a wallet from an exchange. So I had set the minimum amount. It was like 8,000 VeChain. It's like $8 at the time or something. I don't even know. It's worth like over $600 now. And that was like the minimum transaction that you can send off of the exchange at the time. So it's absolutely crazy what we're seeing right now. A lot of gains are being made, guys. If you're new, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Definitely comment, leave a like, and make sure all notifications are turned on as well. The Crypto Empire community is growing right now, but in order to get the most out of being a member of the Crypto Empire community, you need to be in the Telegram group. The link is down in the description below. I give a lot of special announcements, special bonuses, rewards to only the Telegram group members, so you need to be a part of that group to get access to these special bonuses. So go and join that group right now. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.